See, Gina, this is Paul. So we're getting your 431 ready for rebuild. As you can see, it was definitely a rust problem. So anyway, there's your valve covers. We got your exhaust manifolds off. They were pretty difficult. We managed to get them off. We'll be buying you a new oil cooler right here. That's a transmission oil cooler. We're buying a new one of those. Actually, that's the engine oil cooler. There is a transmission oil cooler on here as well, somewhere back in this mess. We will convert your alternator to a single wire alternator, and we'll be putting her back together as soon as we get it back from the machine shop. We'll probably be taking it to the machine shop tomorrow, and we'll be ordering some parts for it. We know we're going to need a master rebuild kit, so we might as well just go ahead and order that. And anyway, we'll get her started. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.